Fáilte a hisismthór, welcome parent Gdín Ceachse and Teachtanse to this little lesson this week. Let me know if you like these little lessons because I'll definitely keep them up. I'm trying to find the best way to deliver your Gaeilge every week that's easy, quick and enjoyable. So for this phrase this week, something that you can use every day, I think, I'm sure with the weather, is get your coat, and obviously you can add in anything else other than coat here as well. So get your coat is fai do chota. Fai de chota. You can pop that phrase into Abertata E to hear it in different dialects, but let's just look at a little British. Again, in our Gaeilge guides for parents, I get loads of good feedback on the British, the little breakdowns. They're small, they're short, they're not for everybody, but in general, parents love just understanding a little bit more about what they're saying because it helps you remember it. So fai is the verb to get. Fai, and then in Irish, when we're given an order, we just use the verb. So we don't add any ending, we don't change anything, we don't add any tricky letters that happens in Irish. It's just a verb. So if the verb is fai to get, then the order is fai to one person. And after your, in Irish, we have a shevu on the word if that first letter can take a shevu. So do is your and kota is coat, but do chota, your coat. Now, how do you know if the word afterwards, if you want to change this to shoe or bag or anything, how do you know if there's a shevu there? You can go to chanklin.ie and you can go to the grammar wizard and click preposition plus noun, because do is our preposition. It means your. And kosha is our noun. So you click down and you just type in kosha. It only accepts Irish. So if you need to check what your word is in Irish first, use the English Irish dictionary and then pop over here to the grammar wizard and then type in kota, and then it says do chota. It tells you your coat, do chota. So sinnig an cheachse, that's it for that little lesson. I've popped this little phrase card down below that you can actually download and print out. If you don't want to print it out, if you don't have a printer, you can just write this out on your own little cards and pop it on the kitchen bench. Pop it somewhere, the kitchen counter, we say bench in New Zealand, kitchen counter. Pop it somewhere you're actually going to see it. I find I ignore the fridge. So pop it somewhere you're going to see it, maybe on the door. And then every day say it, fai de chota, get your coat, get your coat. Your kids will pick it up the first time you say it. It's going to take you 3 or 4 or 5 times to get used to saying it, and then you won't ever have to look at this little card again. So Tasulam going to Tanvas. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Gurmila Mahadarish. Thank you again. And if you love these little short Gaeilge and these little short lessons, then the Gaeilge guide for parents are for you if you don't already have them. Like, it's literally made for you and there is nothing like it, and it has all your Gaeilge in really short videos like this, except better because I don't blab on in those videos in the Gaeilge guides. You can get your Gaeilge guide right now and I'll pop a link below for you. Gurmila Mahadarish. Thank you again. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.